Hi everyone. So for today we're going to talk about cloud computing and then one of the main three service model. So we're going to tackle about cloud software as a service.
What comes to your mind when you say cloud? What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Cloud computing is also the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Cloud computing can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort. Basically, cloud computing is storing data using internet servers without using storage devices for your convenience. Then in cloud computing, we have cloud service models. These cloud service models are three main cloud service models. The first one is the cloud software as a service, or SaaS. The second one is cloud platform as a service, or PaaS. And the third one is cloud infrastructure as a service, or AS. So basically, we're going to talk about, of course, the first one, which is commonly used by the ordinary people. We'll talk about cloud software as a service, or commonly called as SaaS. What is software as a service, or SaaS? Cloud software as a service is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the internet. Consumers use the provider's applications running on a cloud infrastructure. The applications are accessible from various client devices such as web browser. Here are some examples of SaaS. Google Apps, Salesforce, or Microsoft 365. More on SaaS. The hosted application management model of SaaS is similar to ASP, where the provider hosts the customer software and delivers it to approved end users over the internet. In the software on-demand SaaS model, the provider gives customers network-based access to a single copy of an application that the provider created specifically for SaaS distribution. What are the advantages of SaaS? SaaS removes the need for organizations to install and run applications on their own computers or in their own data centers. This eliminates the expense of hardware acquisition, provisioning, and maintenance, as well as software licensing, installation, and support. Other advantages are flexible payments. Rather than purchasing software to install or additional hardware to support it, customers subscribe to a SaaS offering. Generally, they pay for this service on a monthly basis using a pay-as-you-go model. Transitioning costs to a recurring operating expense allows many businesses to exercise better and more predictable budgeting. Users can also terminate SaaS offerings at any time to stop those recurring costs. Other advantages is scalable usage. Cloud services like SaaS offer high vertical scalability, which gives customers the option to access more or fewer services or features on demand. Automatic updates. Rather than purchasing new software, customers can rely on a SaaS provider to automatically perform updates and patch management. This further reduces the burden on in-house IT staff. Accessibility and persistence. Since SaaS applications are delivered over the internet, users can access them from any internet-enabled device and location. What about disadvantages? Of course, there are always disadvantages. Businesses must rely on outside vendors to provide the software. Keep that software up and running, track and report, accurate billing, and facilitate a secure environment for the business data. Providers that experience service disruptions, impose unwanted changes to service offerings, experience a security breach, or any other issue can have a profound effect on the customer's ability to use those SaaS offerings. As a result, users should understand their SaaS provider's service level agreement and make sure it is enforced. To sum it up, software as a service or SaaS is useful to the customers in this day and age of technology because it simplifies the task of data gathering and data saving. PaaS and IaaS will be discussed on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.
That's all for today. So I hope you have learned something from the vlog. And next vlog will be discussing about PaaS and ES. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.